Okay, top 6 answers are on the board. What must a person do to become rich? Go. Phoebe.
Work.
Work.
Yeah, work.
Phoebe.
We need to
when
work.
you grow up, what do you want to become?
A lawyer.
Lawyer. Oh, a lawyer. Sabi ni Phoebe.
That's nice.
Boom.
Correct.
Pass or play, Phoebe?
Play.
Play.
Okay, Rafael.
Let's play.
Go to your team first. Let's go, Phoebe. Let's play round 2.
Next player.
Team Knowledge Ninjas. Stellar. What must a person do to become rich?
Mag-ipon.
Yeah. Hello. Saving money is also important. I need to save money. Yay!
Bruce, anong dapat gawin para yumaman ang isang tao? What must a person do to become rich, Bruce?
Create content.
Never spend.
Create content.
Create content. Oh yeah, like making YouTube videos. Hey! You know Rafi's gonna make YouTube videos later. So you better watch out. Watch out for YouTube.
Really, what must a person do para siya ay yumaman?
Mag-invest.
Mag-invest. Siyempre. Daddy.
Investing is also an important factor.
Nandyan ba
Let's see if
ang
it's there.
mag-invest?
Yay!
Back to you, Phoebe. What must a person do to become rich?
Sell. Sell stuff.
Sell stuff.
Okay, magtinda na ng mga bagay.
Okay.
That's the same as mga negosyo.
Time to,
Try again.
Stellar, back to you. What must a person do to become rich?
Act.
Like acting.
Like a movie.
Yeah. Wow.
Act.
Do you want to also act someday? No.
Wow, we're the same, Stellar.
Professional dancer.
A dancer. There you go, Stellar.
Yeah, acting can also be good.
Nandyan ba ang pag-act? Wala.
Bummer.
Senior squad, this is your chance. Princess, what must a person do to become rich?
Study.
Study. Elena, what do you think?
Finish school.
Study rin? Finish school?
That's the
Rafael,
same.
What do you think?
Get a diploma.
Same.
Yeah, and everything pertains to studies.
Same din ba ang sagot mo? Anong dapat gawin? What must a person do to become rich to get this round?
Finish school.
Finish school.
Finishing school, is that important?
Sabi po nila magtapos ng pag-aaral. Tama po ba yan? Survey. Let's see.
Let's see if it's there. Yay! We got it! Yay!
Wow.
Rah! Good job, kids! I'm proud of you, man.
Mag-pray.
Yeah, we also pray for good income like us.
Number 4.
Masipag sa pagtrabaho.
The game gets more exciting.
Ew! This is fun! Hanep! Magkita tayo ulit mamaya sa magbabalik ng Family Feud!